皆さんおはようございます。今日は4月18日、今現在早朝の4時45分になります。この日は1906年のサンフランシスコ大地震が起きた日なんです。で、その地震が起きた時間が朝の5時12分だったわけなんですね。
116 years ago, powerful seismic waves roared across the prosperous city of San Francisco. Experts today estimate the colossal earthquake was around 7.9 on the modern magnitude scale. By the end of the first day, the city by the bay would suffer 26 aftershocks. It would succumb to a raging inferno that would show no mercy to its bewildered citizens for 74 hours.
このメモリアルイベントには1906年当時の格好をした人たちが集まります。さすがサンフランシスコ、早朝でも厚化粧で頑張る女装のマダムもいらっしゃいます。
We are resilient, and the San Francisco Fire Department is ready for anything that comes our way, whether it be fires, whether it be medical calls, whether it be earthquakes. We are here for you, and it is just a pleasure to be here to celebrate our 1906 Rising from the Ashes. And if need be, we will do it again because we are resilient San Francisco. Thank you.
大地震の前からあるこのロッタの噴水は、地震の直後に家族や友人の安否を気遣う人々の掲示板の代わりとして、また待ち合わせの場所として使われました。
And I must tell you that I have been here year in and year out since being elected mayor of this city. No longer mayor of this city, but I've been here all of 34 years. And I will continue to come back as often as I can because this is really the spirit of the city. And what I love is that so many of you this early in the morning would show up to commemorate how the resurrection of this city occurred.
Would you please welcome your current mayor, doing a great job in London. Breathe, everybody. Mayor.
Thank you, Bob, and thank you to everyone who is joining us very, very early in the morning. Because in San Francisco, as you all know, we take having fun very seriously. And I want to just acknowledge all the people who came dressed as though we are in 1906, including the ladies and gentlemen of decades of fashion who dressed me, because we take having fun seriously. This city, 80% of it burned. Over 3,000 people lost their lives. And I know there were probably people who were discouraged and felt, what do we do now? But I also know that there were more people who stepped up and said, let's rebuild. Let's make San Francisco better than it's ever been before. And as a result, we came back. Earthquake safety buildings and other changes. We learned from that earthquake. What to
Nice hand for the fire department. You do a great job.
My home upon the hill, I know I love you still. I've been away, but now I'm back to tell you, San Francisco, open your golden gate and let no stranger wait outside your door. San Francisco, here is your wandering one, saying I'll wander no more.
皆さんいかがでしたか？ サンフランシスコの人たちの次の地震が来ても負けずに頑張るぞという強い意志が見られたイベントでしたね。今回もご覧いただきありがとうございました。それではさようなら。